Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, you are highly welcome. So today we're going to be learning how to make avocado oil for hair growth, to promote hair growth. So don't think this is going to be a hair oil that you rub today and then your hair is going to grow tomorrow. No, it's not an overnight miracle wonder. Okay, so this is actually one of the best oils you can use for your hair, especially if you're a low porosity hair girly. You don't need heavy oils on your hair, so you need oils like avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil for your hair. Okay, so we're going to be making avocado oil today. I'm going to be using olive oil as the base actually, so you can see that it's something that really makes sense. So the first thing you want to do is to cut open your avocado oil like I've done and scoop out the content out of it. So it's preferable you get a very ripe avocado. It's gonna work better. You can see this particular one I'm using is basically overripe, so you can see how smoothly it's coming out. And this is the second one. It's ripe, but it's not so ripe as the other one. It works fine too. So you want to take out the contents, and you don't want to waste any. So I'm going to be using two should I say blob or two fruits of avocado. Yeah, so I'm going to be using two here in this tutorial, and I think you saw the olive oil from the beginning of the tutorial. So I'm going to be using a small bottle of olive oil. So you want to make sure you scoop every little content out, and then you want to be mashing that up with your anything works. If you have this tool for mashing up potatoes, you can use that. So I'm using a turning stick here to mash them up. You want to mash it up so it comes out really smooth like this. You can see that you want to get your olive oil. This is pure olive oil, so you don't want to get this particular one. So that one, you want to get this one in a bottle, because I heard the other one is made out of bleached palm oil. So this is a pure olive oil. This is one you want to use. And yeah, so you want to take your pot on fire. I'm using a fry pan here actually, and you want to turn in the pot your olive oil. You can use coconut oil, anyone is fine, but I'm going to be using olive oil. So with your mashed avocado, you want to put that in your hot oil. You want to fry this on medium heat, or let's just say low heat, so it doesn't get burned so quickly. And then you want to continue to stir and stir and stir until it's golden brown. Keep stirring. It's going to bubble up like this. You're doing fine, do not worry. Continue to stir up. You see those little ones that did not mash up, because obviously it was not so properly ripe, but it works fine too. And yes, you can see now it's golden brown. This is the consistency you want to get after you are done frying. And then you want to cool it down, and you want to sieve this out. You can use a normal sieve, or you can use a cheesecloth. I tried using the normal sieve at first, and I noticed that it wasn't doing a proper job. You will see that I'll end up switching it to a cheesecloth or any regular fabric that you think will work fine for you. You can use that too. So you want to sieve out the oil. You can see that the oil came out, but you see had like some content in it that wasn't so smooth, so I had to use a cheesecloth. So you want to turn that into a cheesecloth, and then you want to strain out every single drop of oil from it. You want to squeeze every single drop. You don't want to waste any. Do not waste any, because oil is so precious. You do not want to waste any. So yes, you want to squeeze out the whole content, and voila, this is what we have. I'm using a clear plate so that you can see how it looks like. So I tried. So this is a measuring cup. This is quarter of a cup. Your avocado oil is ready to use to promote your hair growth, make your hair shine and look really sleek. And for it to, all those frizziness of your hair, everything is going to vanish. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you want me to make more, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, say something in the comment section. Don't leave that box empty. Thanks for watching. Bye.